Yeah, hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card to the Huawei Y6s. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. In that little instruction box here you will find a little card which one looks like this, and to remove the pin there just fold it like this and to remove the pin like that. Okay, otherwise you could use also of course the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So, and very nice at the Huawei Y6s is that you can insert two SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. Okay, so let's start with the first nano SIM card, put it like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Yeah, and in case you want to add a second SIM card, you can do that here on the second position. Also the same thing, missing corner, and the contacts are below as well. Okay, and of course if you want you can extend also the storage by using a micro SD card. You can put the SD card here at the last position. It has to look like this then finally. And also here the contacts are below. Okay, and if you're ready with your construction, you just put it back into the phone like this. Be carefully that nothing jumps out, and close it well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in them, just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. Yeah, and maybe until next time. Ciao.